Hello there, welcome back to Mechanic London. Today we've got a Volvo P1800 in the workshop. This is an E one, which is just after sort of 71, but it's not the injection type. So we'll just have let you have a look around here what we're doing. It's in here, it is, and it's having some steering work done here on a ball joint. I don't know if it will show up here if I show you. Let's see if I can give you that. So typical here. So it's got a bit of a lift in the ball joint, so we're going to change that. It's a left-hand sided one. Under here, typical of the Volvo engines there, you've got an oil leak. This is just a build-up, it's over a period of time. So you're probably there looking at a crankshaft oil front seal that's gone there. There is a modification. We just zoom underneath here, gearbox oil leak there, all typical stuff. So what we're doing here today, we're in the back of it here. I'll just show you there. Looks a bit yucky, but we're doing a repair section here, and then perhaps later on we will look at cutting a bit further out and seeing what's going on there. When you come from the other side, again it's typical here with the flap on the back there. It really does hide a lot and hold a lot of muck in there. So if we zoom around on the other side here, last year we carried out repairs here, we did all of the work here. Quite a large amount up here, underneath there. We've done the outer seal as well. We did an inner section up here, and none of that you can see now. So here we're just putting anything that needs dressing up while it's in. We'll always touch it up while it's in the workshop. We've done an outrigger here as well last year, and we've done the floor as well. Done the repair section. Put your splash panels back up. We come around on this side now. This side this year. Again, we've done it here, we've put in a section, it's all been welded. We're now putting a sealer on to seal it. We've got the panel here ready to trim that back and get that to where we want it. We've got the outer seal here we're doing as well. Panels, well, if you've ever fitted one, you'll know they do not fit exact, you need to trim them. And then if we go up inside here, I'll just show you that, letting the ramp down, that lost a bit there, it will show you there. So we've cut out the rust there, we've made up a section to go in here. So I just show you over here, this is what we've made up here, a piece. I've just put some primer on it, and that will go inside there, and we've done a few spot welds there as well, so that we've got the drip as well. So when that's all dried up, we'll weld that in and then prime it, seal it. Okay, well, it's just to give you a view here of what's gone on, and getting very busy now because all the cars are coming in, getting ready for the summer, and hopefully see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.